According to IMF, the Nigerian unemployment rate has risen to as high as 22.6% in 2025. The economy is tough, and for students or even workers, one source of income is no longer enough. To survive, you need multiple streams of income or a stable source that gives you freedom. Freedom to earn anywhere, travel, and still have time for loved ones and things that matters the most. And that's what forex trading can offer. But maybe you are thinking, I don't have money to buy courses, I don't have money to pay for signals, or I don't even have money to even fund my account. But don't panic, cause FX Lab Academy is bringing you a 2 weeks free forex class from beginner to an advanced level, which is starting on the 1st of November 2025. In just 2 weeks, you will learn Forex Basics, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management and trading psychology. Step by step, we will show you how to trade profitably. And it still doesn't stop there, because we are going to be providing you with a 1 month free signal and 1 month mentorship to guide, help and nurture you in your trading journey. And if that sounds too good to be true, then join the WhatsApp group through the link in the bottom of this video, my description, bio or in the next slide, and see for yourself. Keep note, there is limited slots available.